Welcome to my detailed review of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. These true wireless earbuds come packed with features that are sure to impress. From their impressive 25 dB active noise cancellation to the powerful 12.4mm dynamic titanium drivers, the Nord Buds 2 are designed to deliver an exceptional audio experience. Let's dive into the key features, sound quality, battery life, and overall performance of these earbuds. Affiliate link to purchase. https://amazon.to/3ywh0i3. Key features. BassWave Algorithm. The OnePlus Nord Buds 2 incorporate the new BassWave algorithm, which dynamically enhances your sound for a balanced listening experience. Enjoy deeper bass and crisp, clear vocals that will keep you dancing to the beat. Active noise cancellation. With up to 25 dB of active noise cancellation, these earbuds help you focus on your music or calls by reducing unwanted ambient sounds. Whether you're commuting or working in a noisy environment, the ANC feature ensures a more immersive listening experience. Dolby Atmos and Dirac audio tuner. Pair your Nord Buds 2 with a OnePlus phone to unlock the full potential of Dolby Atmos sound and the built-in Dirac audio tuner. Experience ultra-immersive audio with rich, spatial sound. Long battery life. Designed for all-day playback, the Nord Buds 2 offer up to 7 hours of listening time on a single charge and up to 36 hours with the charging case. Plus, the fast charging feature provides hours of playback with just a short charge. IP55 rating. The IP55 sweat and water resistance rating makes these earbuds perfect for rainy days and sweaty workouts. Enjoy your music without worrying about damaging your earbuds. 4-mic design. Equipped with 4 microphones, the Nord Buds 2 ensure clear and crisp call quality. The mics effectively reduce background noise, making your voice sound clearer during calls. Comfortable fit. The earbuds come with 3 sizes of silicone ear tips, S, M, L, to ensure a snug and comfortable fit for different ear shapes and sizes. The lightweight design makes them perfect for long listening sessions. Sound quality. The OnePlus Nord Buds 2 deliver exceptional sound quality, thanks to the 12.4mm dynamic titanium drivers. The BassWave algorithm provides a balanced sound profile with deep bass, clear mids, and bright treble. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or making calls, these earbuds offer a high-quality audio experience. Customer reviews. With a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from 248 ratings, customers praise the Nord Buds 2 for their sound quality, comfort, and value. Many users highlight the deep bass and clarity, while some mention minor issues with connectivity and touch controls. Overall, the Nord Buds 2 are highly recommended for their performance and affordability. Purchase now. Ready to upgrade your listening experience? Purchase the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 here. https://amazon.to/3ywh0i3. Conclusion. The OnePlus Nord Buds 2 are an excellent choice for anyone looking for affordable true wireless earbuds with advanced features. From active noise cancellation and Dolby Atmos support to long battery life and a comfortable fit, these earbuds offer great value for money. If you're in the market for new earbuds, the Nord Buds 2 are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you have any questions or experiences with the OnePlus Nord Buds 2, feel free to share them in the comments below. Affiliate link to purchase. https://amazon.to/3ywh0i3. Number OnePlus Nord Buds 2. Number Earbuds Review. Number OnePlus. Number Wireless Earbuds. Number ANC. Number Tech Review. Number Best Earbuds 2024. Number Budget Earbuds. Number Dolby Atmos. Number Fast Charging. Number IP55. Number True Wireless Earbuds.